Hello everyone, I am Ainal Bhattachay. My roll number is 20BT30012. In this video, I am showing the two activities given to us. The first one is Arduino DH22 humidity and temperature. Next one is Arduino RGB common cathode. Now, to do our activities, we need to use Proteus software. Open sample. Now I am showing the first activity. Arduino DH22 humidity and temperature. Now let us see the source code of this project. In this source code, we use the help of two functions. The first one is the pin mode. Pin mode helps us to activate the digital pin 13. And next one is the else if function. This helps us to enter our conditions given. Let us see the conditions given to us. First one is T less than or equals to 15 and humidity less than 25. Second one is temperature less than or equals to 25, humidity greater than 60%. Third one is temperature greater than or equals to 28 and humidity less than 25. And last condition is temperature greater than or equals to 28 and humidity greater than 60%. Now to simulate our project, we have to enter these parameters in this humidity and temperature sensor. Now let us check the given conditions. The first one is humidity less than 25 and temperature less than 15. Now let us run this simulation. This is called virtual terminal and here you can see the blinking of the LED. Hence our first condition is satisfied. Now let us check our second condition. Next one is humidity greater than 60% and temperature less than or equal to 15. Here also the LED is blinking. Now check the next condition. Our next condition is humidity less than 25% and temperature is greater than 28 degrees. And again run the simulation. This condition is also satisfied. Now let's see our last condition. In this humidity is greater than 60% and temperature is greater than 28. Again running the simulation. As you can see here, the LED is blinking again. So all our conditions are satisfied. Now let's move on to the next project. Here you can see the oscilloscope and the LED are connected by a wire at P13. Now let's see the source code. Here, to run the project, we have to activate digital P13 with the help of pin mode function, and we have to also set the time duration for high and low inputs to generate a continuous square wave. Okay, now let's run our given simulation. This is the virtual oscilloscope and we have arranged all the values to DC. Here you can see these square waves coming. The square waves are continuous and are repeated one after the other. The time period of the square waves is 8.25 seconds. Now let's stop the simulation. Okay, thank you.